weather's really bad at the minute in Croatia, so there's not really much to do outside. So we figured, let's try and spend 24 hours in the van from now. Do you want to start a timer? Oh. Zoom that one. Okay. We'll have the second on.
I've been in for 5 minutes.
We've just stocked up on supplies. We're having lunch. And yeah, so 24 hours, let's have it. Where do you think you're going? We're on the way at the spot. See what it's like. Apparently there's a load of stray dogs there, isn't there?
Yeah, but if we're not getting out of the van, that ain't no problem.
True. Yeah. I think back her up left and down. Arrived.
But we can't get out. Cool.
Wicked.
Don't look at my bum.
So we do the bed, and then the bedding's up here.
I don't care about that.
Yeah, well, they might, and we're not going to get it out yet though because
Just for relaxing in the bed.
yeah, it's like the day chilling, isn't it?
And then later on we'll show you how we get the bed.
Raining, which I think we're quite happy about actually, aren't we?
Well, yeah, the whole point was it was going to be raining the whole time, and that's why we're inside. It was not too bad before, but now we couldn't possibly go out there.
Hell no. Look at it, it's bad out there. How long in are we?
Well, we've got 21 hours and 5 minutes left.
So what's that? Just shy of 3 hours here.
Yep.
Cool. I'm gonna have a coffee. Five hours in, Ave. Any update?
No. There's been a lightning storm. That's about it.
Right. It's officially scary out there.
Scario plot.
Boom. So it's time for the sheets. And there you have it. Do this one as well. Right. Cooking corner with Ave.
What's on the menu?
Well, curry, but I can't find the ginger, and I thought we had cumin, and we don't. So I don't know if you can still call it curry, but I'm using curry powder, so maybe you can.
Perhaps.
Don't snap your teeth. And we have all the blankets and duvets now because it's really cold overnight, but most of the trip we've just had a sheet because it's been really hot, hasn't it? So
It has, yeah. I
but
can
nice and cozy.
That's it, and now I'm just going to do the washing up, and then we're going to watch Star Wars, yeah?
Get done.
Oh God! I left that running. That was close. What were like? Whew. Time for Star Wars, eh? Yeah.
Show you what I'm trying to do when it goes. Dun, it is a big note at the start.
Talk about.
We've got 17 hours to go.
So what's that? 7 hours in.
Right.
Morning.
Morning.
How long's left to show the thing?
4 hours, 44 minutes. It's been quite easy, this thing.
I know, yeah. I reckon and more.
Let's do another day.
Yeah, well, more of a challenge would have been to do 48 hours, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, so just woken up, got Harry Potter on, and then we're going to the next spot in a couple of hours. We've got to try and get Arctic Monkeys tickets first, though. Oh, it's been easy, this actually. What's on the menu, Wave? Chicken soup. While they're just cooking, bit of a van tour. Got the bathroom now.
showers. Toilet seat in case of emergencies. Got these like biodegradable bag things. Pleasant. Washing stuff, drinking water. Kids room instead of. Yeah, that's it. Smells good. Well, there we have it, Ava. 24 hours in the van. That was pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.